Hello everyone, welcome to Laratips. In this video, we'll be doing some refactoring. In our previous video, we refactored this route resource into this huge route code, which includes this index, create, store, edit, everything. And I think this is looking very much bulkier. And also if you want to just go through this admin file, then it will take us a very long time to scroll and scroll. So let us again go back to the route resource. And I'll show you a different way of applying permissions. And before starting this video, I'd like you to introduce to this whole series sponsor, which is Cloudways. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform which focuses on your business and avoid all the web hosting hassles. Cloudways will take care of the server setup for you, and you can go live in minutes using the Cloudways. You can select any one of these applications like WordPress, Laravel, PHP, etc. and you can host those in any one of these servers like DigitalOcean, AWS, Vultr, Google Cloud or Linode. And also you can scale your server size as you need using the simple and easy user interface. You can use the link below to subscribe to Cloudways, and if you do so, you will get $15 as a credit. And you can use that $15 to set up a base server, and it will last you almost a month, which means that you are getting 1 month free. Now let's get started. So first of all, let me just go back to my previous changes. I'll just copy everything from the left hand side and I'll just paste it over here. So now we have reverted back to our previous case. Now if I go here in the roles controller, then I can just create a constructor over here. And if I show you over here in this documentation, this Laravel documentation, then we can apply this middleware like this. We can choose specific methods where we want to apply our middleware. So I'll copy this and paste it over here. Then I can say here can, and let me go to this roles seeder. Then I have this permission view permissions list. Then I'll paste it over here, and this will only be applied to this index method, which is this index method. Similarly, let me just duplicate this one and write this permission, and I'll just replace this with this create permission, and instead of index we will have create and store. And you can see here it looks very clean. We can apply same middleware to different methods at the same time. This is create and this is store. Similarly, we have this edit, update and destroy. Let us do for those as well. So here I'll say here edit and update, and here will be edit. Similarly, I'll say here delete permission, and it will only be for the destroy method. Sorry, I am here currently in the roles controller, so I have to change this permission into role. Let me copy this thing and let me go to permission controller, and also let me add that over here like this. And here in case of role, we'll have permission like this. Now we don't have to write any middleware over here. From now on, we'll be consistent and write the permissions middleware only on the constructor. Similarly, we haven't assigned any permission to these attach permission to roles and detach permission from role. This is coming from the edit or update of the roles. So let me go to this roles controller over here, and let me just copy this for once, and let me go here in the attach permission, and I'll add that over here like this. But we will only use the permission this edit role, and I'll just remove every one of these, and we don't want only over here because there is only one this invoke method and it will be applied for this one. Similarly, I'll copy this thing and I'll go over here detach permission, and I'll write it over here like this. If the user has the permission to edit the role, then they will be able to detach the permission from the role. Now let me go here in the browser and refresh the page. Currently here I am logged in as admin, and in this incognito mode with the black bar, I am logged in as the editor, and there is no permission for the roles and permissions. So I'll go here in the roles and I will go over here in this editor section. Then I'll just search for permission, then I'll give permission for the view permission module, which will show the menu, then view permission lists, and then edit the permission. There is also one bug over here. This thing will not go away. Okay, it is remaining. Even I come after 1 hour, then also it is showing up. We'll fix that as well in this video because this is the refactoring video. Now let me go here and refresh the page. Then we can see here this thing, and if I click over here, then everything is working perfectly fine. We can easily update the user. So let me just click on save. Okay, it is saying the name has already been taken, but it shouldn't say that. So let me go here in the permission request. Oh yeah, we have written here role, so we'll say permission like this, because we are already using this unique rule, so it shouldn't have happened. Now if I just go here and save, then everything is working perfectly fine. Now if I just go here and remove this edit, and if I come here and try to edit this, then it should say this, the action is unauthorized, which means that everything is working perfectly fine. Now after this, let us try to fix this. It is not hiding after some seconds. So let me go here in the alert here and let me see where I have written timeout. Okay, yeah, it is in the on mounted, but if I click attach or detach over here, it will take me back to the same page, and Vue is smart enough not to mount the same components multiple times. So we must add that code in the watcher. So let me go here and we have this watch over here. Now let me convert this thing into like this, and let's say if success message, if there is a message, then we will hide it after 5 seconds like this. Now we don't want this because we have already used here immediate true, so it will automatically apply it whenever this alert component is mounted. I'll just format it and you can see here the code is like this. But let's say we just did attach 3 times, then the third message that we'll see here, that will not actually remain for 5 seconds because of how the set timeout works. Whenever the timeout has completed the 5 seconds for the first time, it will just hide that notification. So for that we need to also create here debounce effect. So I'll just say here const timeout handler equals to ref, and we'll say here null, and I'll go just over here and say timeout handler dot value equals to set timeout, and just before assigning this we'll just say here clear timeout, and we'll pass timeout handler dot value like this. Now if I just come here and refresh the page now, and let me see whether I have run npm run watch or not. No, I haven't. So I'll say npm run watch, and here in the browser I'll just refresh, and now if I just try to attach this create permission, then we'll wait for 5 seconds, then it should go automatically. Yeah, it is now hidden automatically. Also, there is one more bug that we need to fix. When I click on attach, then it is showing me this permission attached successfully. And when that is gone, and if I again click on this attach, then the message is not shown. This is happening because the props that we have passed from the server side has not changed. We are only just resetting this message value, which is this our local variable, but we also need to reset this one. We need to mutate this. So I'll just say here like this, and success is equal to empty string. Now if I just go here and refresh the page, and now if I click on attach, wait for some time so that it will go, and again if I click on attach, then now the message is showing. So that's it for this video guys. This was a quick refactor, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.